Welcome back. We're talking tech this afternoon. A new report says some door cameras may be an easy target for hackers. Researchers from Consumer Reports tested dozens of products sold on Amazon, Shein, Temu, and Walmart. They say they found issues with Chinese-made doorbell cameras sold under brand names like Ekin and Tuck, saying someone near the camera can simply just download the app and take it over. Consumer Reports also says the cameras broadcast pictures which can be intercepted and seen by anyone without needing a password. Now, we use solar energy to power everything from our traffic lights to our homes. Now, scientists want to use it to keep your heart healthy. Researchers have developed a pacemaker that runs on light. While a traditional pacemaker needs a small battery and some wires to keep it ticking, this design can be used by just smallest flashes of light.
So we're using light as the energy input and semiconductors as the transducers. And through a process that is similar to the operation of a solar cell, we can stimulate the cells and tissues.
The ultra-thin pacemaker is designed for temporary use, that is, patients recovering from bypass surgery, and it simply dissolves over time.